Amanda, this book looks interesting. Buddy, yes, why don't you borrow it? Librarian, please stop talking, this is a library. You have to be silent here. Amanda and Buddy, oh. We're sorry. Amanda, I would like to borrow this book. Librarian, I'm sorry you can't borrow this book, you have to read it in the library. Amanda, that's alright, I'll read it here. Nipun, there, the race has just started. Raj, where's Sean? Nipun, he's in lane 3. Sean, come on, faster. Raj, but number 6 is up in front. No, look, Sean is gaining speed, he's just past number 6. He is the winner. Nipun, hurrah. Well done, Sean. Student A, teacher, I have solved all the sums. Teacher, bring your book please. Student B, teacher, I have finished them too. Teacher, please stand in queue and wait for your turn. Student C, excuse me teacher, may I go out to drink some water? Teacher, yes you may. A bell rings. Teacher, please be silent and stand up for religious observances.